Hi, this is a video for people who are participating in my productivity training, personal productivity training. It's a video for people who are still capturing their tasks in their head and who are considering using a electronic way of processing their to-dos. I recommend to use Todoist because it's a really great app. It's a cross-platform and there are lots of videos where you can learn once you have done the basic setup. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm just going to show you how to set it up from scratch so you can start using it immediately. You can start immediately capturing your tasks in a way that it's then easier to process them further. I recommend that you have a capturing system that is as frictionless as possible because you want to be spending most of your time doing and as little as of your time sort of having to think about how to sort or store or catalog a task. Okay, so you want to reduce the friction, but at the end of the day I recommend you have a 10-minute review, 10-minute review of your tasks, with then you can decide when you want to do what, where it belongs, etc. So in this video we're just going to do the basic setup. So you start, once you set up Todoist, you go to your inbox, and this is the only view which we're going to use. Okay, you can use Todoist just with the inbox view and no other thing. Okay, you can forget the whole rest. So I recommend that you do something that is called today, and then you have a section which is this week. Then you have a section which is called next week, and then you have a section which is called this quarter. And then one which is called someday. Okay, so that's all you need to get started. So for today I need to record this video. For next week I had the idea to buy gas for the grill, and it just occurred to me that my wife said I need to buy bread, and next week I wanted to call John to follow up with John. And then next week I also want to call Sophie on project X, and this week I need to record, I publish a new blog post, and this quarter I need to file my taxes, and someday we add the section, and someday I want to visit Malta. Okay, so there we're good. So that's all you need to get started. Really, you don't need more, because then you can move your tasks as you want. This is the nice thing. And if you decide that you want to already add a date, you can do it. You can do it today. And buy bread is obviously also today, and you can add a priority. We say priority 2. Actually buying bread is priority 2, and recording this video is priority 1. So you see you have these little colors, and that's all you need. With that you can get started. So I invite you, set up Todoist, set up your inbox with these views, get that, and you can very easily start collecting tasks. In the next video we will be looking at today view, and in further videos we'll look at this bit down here, what you can do with it. But for the time being, this is enough. Get started and see you in the next video. Bye bye.